Hey folks, I'm HP, this is drpink, and it's summer, and so time for some really hot licks. Shuffle rock licks, yeah. Yeah, those were those 4 licks we're going to check out now. They're pretty simple to play, even they sound like pretty hard to play. They're not so hard to play, but they sound awesome, so let's check it out. Okie dokie, so the backing track is in the key of B minor. So we're playing in the pentatonic in the 7th fret, and the first lick would be this one here. It's very simple. This in triplet, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You make the slide from 6 to 7 in triplets. So 1, 2, 3, 1. This 1, 2, 3. These are triplets. You can repeat it as many times as you want, and the resolution out of the lick is so 1, 2, 3. Lick number 2 is a triplet as well, is this one here. Again, a repeating pattern, so you put here the finger in the 7th fret, bending here. Now the trick is, since we cannot do alternate picking, you can do like this. You make the bending is upstroke, downstroke, downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, downstroke, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And this way you can play it fast. Next lick are triplets as well. So here, again, bar in the 7th, now you make a pull off here from 10 to 7. Same thing again, downstroke, upstroke, repeat it as many times as you like, and the resolution lick is could be this or the other one as before, as you like. And the last lick is a very cool one here. You make a double stop here, pinky in the 10th, bending in the 9th. And the trick is very simple. It's like bending, release. So bending, release, and here in the 7th. But now comes a trick. It starts on count to 1, 2, 3, and 4. And second time it starts on 1 and not on 2. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. So in this way the accent moves around, and this gives a very cool vibe. So yeah. Now putting things together is very simple. Just play one link after the other, and that's pretty enough to do. Maybe you play a few notes in between if you want, but these licks are pretty enough. So let's see how it works all together. Yeah, folks, these were the shuffle rock licks. There's a tutorial where you can learn the rhythm guitar. The link is in the description below. And what more to say? The tabs and the backing track can be downloaded in the HPCrazy Students Club, the coolest guitar community on the planet. Join there. It's still building up. You meet other students there, and to get the downloads, a premium membership is required, but you can join there for free. It's fun too, because every information which comes from the channel here is a little bit more tight there, and you can discuss with others if you want to do that. Yeah. What more to say, Dr. Pink? We want to have summer now. It's really getting boring. So much rain in Switzerland. It's not really inspiring. Yeah, me and Dr. Pink are signing off.